significant business advantage, scientific insights, and decision support. SAS provides business organization with a competitive edge by enabling them to make data-driven decisions, optimize the operation, and create innovative solutions. Scientific insights. It empowers researchers and scientists to extract valuable insights from complex data sets and in various scientific domains. Decision support. SS aids in information decision-making process by providing accurate and reliable analysis supporting critical business and research decisions. So what can we see from the advanced business advantage is that SAS uses wide variety of tools which is available for it. It is used for decision making, optimize operation, enhance predictive capability, strategic planning, improve customer engagement, cost saving, etc. So in under it is informed decision making, it facilitates advanced analytics and predictive modeling enable organization to data-driven decision by leveraging statistical analysis and machine learning algorithms. In optimized operation, which is a part of business advantage, data management tools in this case contribute to efficient handling of data, which ensures quality integrity. And lastly, strategic planning. The insights derived from SAS analytics empower organizations to align their strategies with market trends and customer preferences. Business can adapt and evolve based on real-time data, staying ahead in competitive landscape. From scientific insights, it can be said that it empowers researchers and scientists to extract valuable insights from complex data sets. So the SAS dataset exploration tools enable scientists to uncover many different types of patterns, correlation, and outliers in the data, which helps forming hypotheses and guides further investigation. It also has a robust set of analytics for in-depth analysis. Scientists can perform complex statistical tests, analyze variance, and validate hypotheses, enhancing the rigor and reliability of scientific studies. SAS also have predictive modeling, allowing scientists to forecast potential outcome based on historical data. This is particularly useful in fields like medicine, where predicting patient outcomes for excellent results can inform future research directions. Lastly, in decision support, we can say that SAS aids in information decision making processes, and this is due to large number of scientists which work on SAS, they get many types of data which helps the cooperate in decision making. How it does it help in make cooperate uh, by playing a crucial role in decision support by providing valuable insight and analysis that guides information decision. It supports by having data-driven insights, yes, predictive analytics, optimization of resources with risk management and strategic planning. SAS enables the organization to extract actionable insights from data sets, facilities, a data-driven decision-making approach. Through advanced analytics and statistical analysis, decision makers can gain a deep understanding of trends, patterns, and correlation within the data. In predictive analysis, SAS predictive modeling capabilities empower decision support by forecasting future trends based on historical data, which helps in potential outcome, making proactive decision to optimize processes or seize opportunities. And lastly, optimization of resource and risk management. SAS and analytics decision makers can optimize resources by leveraging the SAS using personal finances and other assets, ensuring efficient use and minimum wastage. But it also has risk assessment tools and mitigation. Decision makers can use advanced analytics to identify potential risks and evaluate their impact, implement strategies to manage and minimize these risks effectively.